Honorable students and parents, I'm your English teacher. Today we are going to start worksheet 2. Second worksheet we are going to start. And some changes we have brought from worksheet 1 to worksheet 2. What are the changes here means? First worksheet, we were having the basics. Second worksheet is also we are having the basics. But based on the paragraph we have given, I have given you one paragraph, and from that one paragraph we have got many questions. What is the meaning of paragraph? Paragraph is nothing but which contains about 5 to 6 lines or 6 to 7 lines or at least 8 lines, that is called as paragraph. A paragraph is nothing but a paragraph that contains 4 to 5 lines is called a paragraph. Based on this paragraph only, we will get one information. Based on this paragraph, we will get the information. For example, I am your English teacher. I am teaching English. I am teaching you many good habits. I am teaching you how to talk in English. It means, are we getting some sentence, some meaning based on this worksheet? Yes, we are getting some sentence based on this paragraph as well as English language also. Today we are having one paragraph. Let us read. I will begin. Listen carefully. Read the paragraph and answer to the question. Amer, where are you? Amer, see him. 2 times we have called Amer. After calling 2 times, what we have to use? Exclamatory mark. It means suddenly I am calling. Amer. Where are you? Your friends also will call you. See here, I am using exclamatory mark here. Here I am using question mark. This is an explanation where we are getting some observation here. Okay, here is the question mark where we are getting question. Where he was. Siraj is calling. Siraj is calling his 15 years 50 years old son. Amer, where are you? Siraj is calling her 15 years old son. Here we can form 2 questions. Who is Amer? Who is Amer? Example I am giving you. Amer is the son of Siraj. Again, we can say different questions. Who is Siraj? Who is Siraj? Siraj is mother of Amer. Siraj is the mother of Amer. The mother of Amer. What is the age of Amer? Third question. What is the age of Amer? What is the age of Amer here? 15 years old. The age of Amer is 15 years 4. Amer, where are you? Siraj is calling her 15 years old son. Who is Amer? Amer, he is the son of Siraj. Who is Siraj? Siraj is the mother of Amer. What is the age of Amer here? 15 years old. Clear? Understood? Next. We will start with only. Let us continue. I'm here, mom. What is it? Amer asked his mother. I'm here, mom. If anyone calls, what will you say? मैं यहाँ पर हूँ. I'm here, mom. What is it? Amer asked his mother. Mom, is there any work? What work I'm having? For what work you are calling me? I will complete that work. I need a favor. Request. I need a favor. Favor होता है यहाँ पर request करना. Demand करा तो कौन सुनते हैं? नहीं सुनते. Anyone can return to the demand? No. I need a favor. Favor means a request. Based on the request, go to the ATM and get some money. Previously, we were having bank. Now also we are having the bank. Previously, we are having the borrower. Now also we are having the borrower. But the amount they used to give is on interest. But the bank also, if you want to borrow the money, will be on interest. But whereas ATM is a place, secured place where we can secure our amount in the ATM. What is the full form of ATM? Here, Siraj is asking Amer to get some money. Automated teller machine. This is the full form of ATM. Automated teller machine. Automatic. If we automatic just have to use the pin code there, then we can get our money back. How much money we want, we have to type it there. Then we are going to get that money back. Understood? Amer, where are you? Siraj is calling her 15-year-old son. I'm here, mom. What is it? Siraj, Amer asked his mother. I need a favor. What favor does she want? She wants a favor that to go to the ATM and get some money. Next. Fill in the blanks with A, and D. With A, and C. Fill in the blanks with articles. What are the articles? A, and the. Where they are using A, where they are using and, the, that we have learned in the last class. Before the consonant, before the vowel, and superlative degree, they are using the. Next, Atif is that honest man. Atif is that honest businessman. Here I am using, which word I have to use here? First we have to see this. Atif is that. What quality is having? The honest quality is having. Imandar hai. Then what we have to use? A, we cannot use. Because A, H is a consonant. And we cannot use. Because here the nature of Atif is has been explained. So what we have to use here? The. Atif is the honest businessman. Next one, the mom lit the candle at night. At night when there is no current, what we will have? We will have the emergency light or we will lit the candle. Lit equal to jalana. Name of the flowers are yellow. None of the flowers are yellow. कौन से भी फ्लावर यहाँ पर इतने फ्लावर्स हैं मगर कौन से भी फ्लावर येलो नहीं view. What I am using here? Exclamatory mark. Suddenly, if you see anything, what will happen? We will be shocked. We will be shocked, or else we will be surprised. If anyone gives us a surprise, then we will be surprised. By seeing the surprise, what we will do? We will open our mouth and we will say, ah, oh, eh, hooray. These are all exclamatory sentences we are using. Whenever raining is there, you should take an umbrella. It's going to rain. We will find the condition whether it is going to rain or not. By seeing the condition, whenever we are going out, we have to take the umbrella. Next, noun. Nouns again there are different types. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun. What is the collective noun? What is a collective noun? Collective noun is a noun which describes the person, which describes the group of things or person. Example, a heap of gas, a heap of that. Second one, a heap of money. Third one, a brood of chickens. A brood of chickens. These are the examples. Heap. This is the heap. Overflow. This is the heap. This is called as BPS. Heap of grass. Heap of money. If there is a heap of money, it is possible for us to count it easily. Nowadays we are having the machine to count the money. A brood of chicken. Brood means here group of chicken. Next, some meanings are there. Gruesome. 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 गम में रहना यहाँ पर. What is the meaning of gruesome? Gruesome is extremely unpleasant and shocking. कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं दिखना. And to some extent, it is shocking. It is called as gruesome. Gruesome is nothing but extremely unpleasant. जहाँ पर खुशी में रहना या तो दुख में रहना, या नहीं बता shocking रहना. Shocking may be of two types. And whenever we are happy, whenever we are sad. Like pathetic. I'm sad. Pathetic means sad. दुखी रहना. तो बोलते pathetic. Pathetic means sad. Next, anecdote. Anecdote. Anecdote is nothing but to tell a short story based on a real incident. It is called as anecdote. 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 Anecdote is nothing but expressing or explaining a short story which is real incident or which is about a real accident. For example, we will say now, when I was coming from that side, there was an accident. It means that is one of the anecdotes which we are explaining. The last, felicitate. Felicitate. For example, felicitate. For using felicitate, what we will use? What we will use? For using felicitate, what we will use? A compliment upon a happy event. A compliment upon a happy event. Compliment means शाबाशी देना. कब देना? एक शाबाशी देना. उसको बोलते हैं हैप्पी इवेंट. इवेंट बोलते क्या है यहाँ पर? एक for example, this boy, he has done a good job. He has done a good job. What he has done? What he has done? He has caught the group of robbers. Group of robbers means here जो चोरी करते वो लोगों को पकड़ाया बच्चा. Then the counselor or the MP, what he will do? He will felicitate. He will felicitate means shake your hand. Thank you for being kind to us. ऐसा felicitate करके वो लोग क्या करते हैं? उनका हर बच्चे के गले में डाल के then they will give one certificate. That certificate will be given to him in the form of a cash. It means it is an act of bravery. That is called as felicitate. Understood the meaning of felicitate? Gruesome means shocking. Pathetic means sad. दुख में रहना. Anecdote means to tell a story which is about a real incident. Felicitate means to compliment upon a happy event. We are happy now that we got a robbery. Understood? Jazakallah.